Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to remove the background from an image in Google Slides on your iPhone or any Android device that you own. So make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to do it, and I'll guide you step by step. Now let's get started with the video. First, open your Google Slides and choose the presentation or slide where you want to add the image and remove the background from. Simply go into it and click on Edit Slides option and choose the image you want to edit. Currently, the Google Slides on iOS app doesn't have a built-in background remover, but here's the trick. Use Google Photos or any background remover app to make your image transparent. You can use it through Google and search for background remover and insert the image there to get a transparent background image. Now save the edited image to your device and go back to Google Slides and tap the plus icon at the top of your screen and simply click on image, and you can use your photos for inserting an image, or if you just want to snap one real quick, you can use the camera option over here. Position and resize the image as needed, and now it looks like the background is removed. For removing background, apps like remove.bg or Canva makes it super easy. And that's it guys. While the Slides app can't remove background directly, this method works perfectly on iOS or Android device. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe and comment below what images you'd like to use this trick for next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.